Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobilemechanic 757. This is air conditioning season where I'm in Hampton, Virginia as 2024 and it's extremely hot. This video is to help customers to completely understand about you get what you pay for, and please don't do this mistake. Had a customer wanted us to look at her, change out her compressor, and I kept saying, are you sure it is not the compressor? It could be something completely different. She was insisting on me doing the compressor. I gave her a price. She got completely upset, and I'm trying to have everybody to understand, if you change a compressor and you do not change the receiver and dryer, and do not have the vehicle put into a vacuum, which is going to be this little machine right here. You have to put it in the vacuum. Moisture is the Achilles heel for a compressor. If I do that and I skip checking for leaks, and you can't vent air conditioner or Freon anyway, and if I skip put it into a vacuum, you will never get a warranty with anybody, Rock Auto, Advance, or AutoZone, nor with us. You must change the receiver and dryer or the orifice tube, which takes out the moisture, which is the Achilles heel for a compressor. If you stick it in and then you just go ahead and put Freon in, this time next year, you just wasted a whole bunch of money. You will destroy the compressor. Also, if the compressor has went bad, you just shot acidic Freon, medical particles, everything all in the AC system. There's just a lot more than just changing a compressor on a vehicle. There is steps you must do it, and do it right. If you want to pay somebody just to do stuff that's a shortcut, do not call us. We are not going to do it. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm on your side. People before profit. I'm talking long-term. The short-term band-aid is just change the compressor and put in Freon. Please let me know how that works out for you.